What's up, YouTube? This is another Nike outlet find. I lied, it's not. I bought these online during quarantine. I got a sick deal on these. I think I spent like 140 Canadian dollars. This is a pair of Flyknit 3s. Flyknit 3 VaporMax. That's pretty nice. I do prefer the Flyknit 2s, they're my favorite. The Flyknit 1s were a little bit crap, to be honest. Let's check these out. This is a great colorway. If you check them out on StockX, you'll notice they don't move too often, they don't sell very often. It's a very uncommon color. You got a nice little metallic swoosh here that's gorgeous. You got the orange, you got the metallic chrome right here. Orange bottom. It's super light in my hands. It's definitely a very comfortable sneaker. Check them out on StockX. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description to buy a pair for yourself. It helps the channel a lot, and these are pretty nice shoes. Stick around, you'll see me throw them on foot. Let's pull out the other shoe. Very similar shoe on the other side. Obviously, it's just a conventional Flyknit 3 VaporMax. I'm sure you guys are familiar with these. Very comfortable, lightweight shoes. Great shoe for quarantining. Anyway, I'm gonna throw them on here. Let's see how they look. On foot, this is complete fire, especially with this nudie denim I'm rocking. If you want similar denim to this, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description to buy a pair of nudies for yourself. As I always say in my videos, I get a pair that's a little bit too long for me, so it stacks well. Ultimately, this is a great shoe. I strongly recommend it to anybody that wants like Flyknit 3s. Like, it's a great colorway. It's very uncommon. And this metallic silver, it's always a good sign with these Nike shoes. They sound great on the floor. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.